Hi, Didier for the SAMSUNG Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD option, that's why we should open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then just tap to open the app, click to draw our apps and find Muviz Edge application. Click once on the switcher and go back to the application, switch Edge lights to the AOD section, select one from these available tabs and tap to apply. Now just let's load the device. And we can see that the Always On Display option successfully activated. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.